Some people spend months perfecting their craft, some push the limits of technology, and some delete all their files for a game. Guess which one I am. So this is the story of how I recreated a scene from Dune Part 2 and almost lost my sanity. So I decided to recreate a scene from Dune Part 2 in Blender. Simple, right? Animate some stuff, model some stuff, add a little magic, and boom! Hollywood! But then came the lighting. Oh sweet, light. Turns out, I have the lighting skill of a cave dweller. Everything looked like a PlayStation 2. 6-7 shots. Gone, reduced to atoms. Honestly, at this point, I considered making it a horror and call it Dune A Cursed Edition and roll with it. So I did what any sane person would do. Abandon Blender and jump to Unreal Engine because clearly, switching softwares mid-project is never a bad idea. Turns out, making the entire desert landscape in Unreal Engine is a great way to set your PC on fire. The moment I hit create landscape, my PC knocked out of existence. So I went back to Blender. At this point, I was basically in a toxic relationship with my software, but hey, commitment is key. Since I thought I was going to do everything in Unreal Engine, I deleted all my Blender files. You ask why? Because I wanted to download Black. Pain. Guess you could say I was really committed to starting from scratch. So I remade everything again. Faced Windows blue screen, Blender crashes, and my own procrastinations. But this time I figured out the lighting. The shots were rendering and I was winning. But then, explosions. I needed explosion. And guess who had no idea how to do that in Blender? This guy. So I cheated. I added 2D explosions in post. And you know what? It looked pretty great. Sometimes laziness is innovation. Honestly, if Hollywood can get away with CGI fire, I can get away with PNG explosions. With the shots done, I composited everything in After Effects, color graded in DaVinci, and sound designed in Premiere Pro. And finally, it was finished. My Dune Part 2 was finished. Nothing else, at least I got some content out of my suffering. That's what really matters, right? So what did we learn today? Lighting is pink, deleting your files is never a good idea, and sometimes faking it in post is as good as doing it for real.